Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to merge your Fortnite accounts step by step so that all of your skins, your V-Bucks or progress stay under one Epic Games account. So first of all, you need to come here on epicgames.com. Then you need to first of all sign in into your account. This will be the account that keeps all of your data after merging. Now click on your profile icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, simply go to the option of accounts. Here in your accounts, you are going to see the option of connections in the left hand side. So you just have to click on the option of connections, and then you will see all of the linked platforms here, like the PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, other. So here you just have to log out of your main Epic account and sign in into other Fortnite account and make sure that it is linked to the same platforms that you want to merge. Now, once both are connected, you can just go back to your main Epic accounts and unlink any extra console accounts if needed. So currently Fortnite no longer has an automatic merge accounts button like before. So if you are trying to combine purchases or the progress, you can submit a support ticket explaining which accounts you want to merge, and Epic Games can manually transfer your data if both the accounts are verified. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.